Hello, I'm in a 2015 Nissan Altima, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, we'll go right down. So we see this release lever, we'll pull. And then it should have a little resistance. And if it's helpful, behind here, you should see this cable that's attached. If there's no cable attached, that's something you'll need to address. So we'll go up to the front. And then you should be able to get under this hood now and pop it loose. It doesn't feel like it popped, so you might have to kind of push on it a little. So it's still locked, so I'm going to go back to that lever. Pull this again. Alright, now it popped this time. So you can see it's a little loose now. And yeah, most vehicle models, there's another lever right towards the middle. This one, I'm going to push and lift. So push and lift. And then there's this nice little rod here. Acts like a little extra leg. Sorry for the camera. But yeah, I just set this into here. This is what the inside looked like. So there's that component. A few angles. So make sure there's no debris stuck in here and everything's tightened up properly. And if it's not moving very smoothly, maybe some WD-40 to loosen this up. This is what the top looked like where it was hooked onto. So double check nothing's bent out of place. Double check that your hood's in proper alignment, because if it's not closing straight, that would cause issues also. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.